Hi, and welcome to Neo's Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this is part of Friends Week slash kinda Anna Makeup, and this is Iris. Um, if you remember, not too long ago, I actually did a video where I did a trial run for Iris's wedding makeup, and this is basically my version of it for Friends Week. I was like, you know what? Let me see how it look on my eyes, so that way I can feel better about doing it for her again whenever we get to her wedding. Um, and oh my gosh, I love how this turned out. And instead of using that metallic liner, I used a nice blue. I put on some false lashes, and these are actually from Genuine Kin. These are Salem's. They're really nice, really fluffy, really light. And I'm sorry I keep looking over like this. My camera did just die, so I'm using my phone, using the front-facing camera so I can see. And yeah, little backstory. Well, I mean, we went into it whenever I did her wedding makeup. We did the trial run. But Iris is someone I've known since freshman year of high school, so that was 2010. It was like, I think it was 2010. I don't remember. I honestly don't. And she and I stayed friends throughout the years, and I'm so proud of how far she's come. I love that she is so passionate about a lot of the things that she does. Plus, I had to say thank you to her because otherwise I probably would not have thought about working for Macy's, and now I am, so that's fun. Um, Aside from that, I don't honestly say except thank you, and I hope you enjoy this video. It really does mean a lot that I'm doing this one more time before we actually get to her wedding and we have to try it again. So, yeah. If you want to see how I redid this look, continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my brows, primed, and set my lids, and today I actually set them using Weekender from the Born to Run palette by Urban Decay. And today I'm using the Born to Run palette, and no, I did not bring it up, I know I normally do. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the shade Still Shot and buff that really high above the crease. Now I'm going to take the shade Baja and really place it like just below because we want it to be really smooth and seamless. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade Rith, a little bit of Punk, and really work those two on the outer third and bring it into the crease slightly. Take my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, we're just going to blend. I'm going to take more of the shade Punk and really focus that on the outer corner and bring it in halfway into the lid. Okay, so now just to deepen this out one more time, I'm going to go with Good As Gone. So now I'm going to take some of my Revolution concealer and cut my crease a little bit. That's why I went higher up than I normally do. So that way I really have like that nice cut crease look. And I'm just going to do like the Makeup by Jack method where I place them on the lid, look up, and then map it out from there. Taking my blending brush and just blending out the edge right here. And while that is still nice and wet, I'm going to take a little bit of Stranded and place that on the lid. Okay, so I'll be honest, I don't like how high it went up, So I'm real quickly going to take some of the colors I used before just to cover that back up and just keep it on the lid. Okay, so I'm going to go do this eye off of camera, and I'm also going to take a little bit of my NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in Vivid Sapphire, and I'll be right back with a full face. Sorry, I'm back. Here we go. Loving this glow. And I actually used, I hadn't used this all again, I forgot I had it. Earth by Wet n Wild. It's one of their highlighting bars, and ooh, she's pretty. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any Wet n Wild highlighter because they're all nice. The liner looking nice, adds a little accent, and I am using more genuine Ken lashes, and these are in the style Salem. They're really nice. I like it. The only thing is for me they're a little too curled, but you know, it kind of serves the look, and I'm okay with it because it makes them look fluffy. I like it. And now we're gonna go back to the eyes. Okay, and for the eyes, I'm going to take the same shades I did up top and use them down below. So because it is going a little bit lower than I would want, I'm going to take a little bit of Weekender, which is that base shade I used, and use that just to soften the edge. For the inner corners, I'm actually going to take the shade Breakaway, which is right next to Stranded, and place that on the inner corners. Never mind, that is a very like satiny and not nice and metallic, so I'm going to actually take the highlighter I used, which is again Earth, and pop that on the inner corner. That's very nice, light, love it. Okay, so for the lash line, I'm actually going to take Blonde Ambition by Sephora Collection, and I'm going to run that in my waterline. That's what I meant to say, not lash line, waterline. Again, I'm in this thing where I'm not liking lower lash mascara, so I'm not going to apply any. And now we're going to move on to the lips. And for lipstick today, I'm going to take Ashton by Anastasia and apply that to the lips. I'm looking really glowy and really pale. At least, here's the thing, my little monitor that I look into that's right above my camera always looks like I look paler than I actually am, and then when I look back at the footage I'm like, oh, I don't look as pale. Okay. Okay, and my camera's about to die. Or at least that's what it's telling me, even though I let it charge while I did my face. You can't see it, but a little bit of Blonde Ambition actually transferred onto my contacts, so that's great. But real quickly, I'm gonna go run off camera, spray down my face, try to take care of my contacts, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the finished look, and I love how this turned out again. And my monitor is showing me that I look really pale. In person, I don't know. Like, I always do this thing where I'm like, no, you can see, like, it's not that pale. But yeah, this thing always makes me look paler. I love how this shadow looks. I love the liner. The lashes are really nice. I did not even mess with my contact lens, so I still have some of my liner on the lens. The other thing I know we did with this look whenever we did originally is that Iris topped it with a little bit of this, which is Vacray by Fenty, but I'm liking the matte lip because I'm such a matte lip person. I really love how this turned out. And yeah. Like I said, Iris is someone I've known for a really long time, and I really treasure her friendship with me. It's thanks to her that it's honestly thanks to her that I'm working at Macy's right now. and I was supposed to go see her, but this took longer than expected, so I'm going to see her at work instead of meeting her at Disney Springs and then going to work together. Um, so she has no idea that this is what I did today. So she's going to see me be like, bitch, bitch. Is that my look? Yeah. Oh, I think my eyes finally, yeah, my contact is finally clearing up. Woohoo! Okay. Um, Aside from that, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I see a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what to say, so thank you for watching. Okay, so I just got home from work. It is 7 a.m. Keep in mind, I got the eyeshadow basically done at 1 p.m. yesterday. I'm so close to getting to 24 hours of this eyeshadow. And it's still on! And it still looks good! I still got compliments. Let's trying a new highlight, like it. Lipstick I have not touched up, so this has been on since like 2. She's still on. Liner, still on. Everything's still on. The only thing I did was like touch up my nose area because that's where I get oily. I touched that up 4 times, and so the Super Stay foundation stays on. And I had so many compliments about it. So I'm really proud, and I need to edit this so this will be up today, because right now it is literally 7 a.m. on Friday. Black Friday. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna edit this and then I have to go back to work, so that's fun. Bye.